Hello everyone, this is Isha Grewal, Verbal Ability faculty. Today in this video, we will be talking about what is verbal ability and why is it important. Before proceeding, let's understand what is verbal ability. So verbal ability is basically the ability of you to understand complexities of grammar, how well you are able to understand, write or read sentences of English which are correct in grammar. So now, why is this important? Why is verbal ability so important these days? Let me tell you. Nowadays, in every competitive examination, in every exam which the companies conduct for hiring the students before proceeding to the technical rounds, you have to clear a written test which is of a verbal ability test. This comes under the aptitude category. Now, there are three sections which are basically quantitative aptitude, verbal, and then logical reasoning. In verbal, we have to solve questions of English which are grammatically correct. Now, there can be different patterns of questions which you have to understand, and you should be able to solve them without having any issues about grammar. Now, let's understand what kind of questions you are going to get in this. So in VA, in verbal ability, you can get questions of reading passages. You may get reading comprehensions, in which there is a passage which you have to read in the given time, and then you have to solve all the questions which are related to that passage. Next, there can be error detection questions. In this, there is an error given in the sentence, and after reading the entire sentence, you should be able to find out where the error lies. Sentence completion category talks about an incomplete sentence, and there are some vocabulary words which are given to you, and you have to find out one suitable word to fit in that sentence. Then antonyms, synonyms, these are another category of questions where you should be able to find out the most dissimilar or the most similar word, however the question requires. Proceeding further, we talk about idioms and phrases. Then we talk about parajumbles or rearrangement of sentences. So all these question categories are a part of verbal ability. The question paper consists of all the questions which I talked about earlier in the video. Now, let's understand how you are going to prepare for them. First, understand the basics of grammar. The basics of English grammar should be absolutely fine. Your basics should be strong so that you are able to solve all these questions properly. Topics like tenses, topics like modals, topics like idioms and phrases, like antonyms and synonyms should be absolutely clear to a student, so as you sit in a placement test and you are able to clear your written test of verbal at the first attempt. Now, once you clear your verbal ability test, then only you proceed to your technical round, and after that you go to the HR round. I'm not only talking about the placements which happen in the colleges. Even if you want to appear for competitive examinations, even if you want to appear for competitive exams like bank, PO, etc. Everywhere you have to clear an examination of verbal ability in which there is a section of English in which you have to solve all the questions that I have talked about. Now, coming back to the placements of college. Now, every college has their hiring procedure and companies visit the college and they have a sequence how they hire the students. The same goes with the thing that we are talking about. Whenever companies visit the campus, they take your written test, then only you proceed to your technical round, and after that you proceed to the HR round. So having a very, very good capability of solving questions of English is a need of the hour nowadays. So you should understand how you have to solve questions without making any grammatical error. You should understand how your reading passage is there, how you're going to attempt it in the given time, because every question paper has a time limit, every company has its own criteria. So you should practice all the questions in a manner that in the given time limit, you are able to solve all the questions correctly. So to be good in verbal ability, I would suggest practice as many questions as you can. First of all, the very basic thing is that you need to have very good basics of English grammar. Understand the basics, revise the questions like tenses, revise one-word substitutions, antonyms, synonyms, go for parajumbles, solve sentence rearrangement questions, and then when your basics are strong, work on the time. Though time is very important because you get very less time to solve the entire question paper. Work on the time, work on your questions in a manner that in a given time you are able to clear all the questions properly. So this was all about why VE is important, why verbal ability is an important section these days, because every company, no matter whichever company you sit for, no matter it is a private company or a public company or a government company, you need to have good idea about how you are going to solve the questions of English grammar, that is verbal ability. So that's it from my side. Thank you everyone.